This 2025 Motorcycle Buyer's Guide highlights new or significantly updated street legal models available in the US. As with previous buyer's guides, we will also include 2026 teasers as soon as manufacturers let us know about them. We will continually update this guide as new models are available, so be sure to bookmark this page and check back often. Organized in alphabetical order by manufacturer, our guide includes photos, pricing, key update info, and links to first looks or, when available, riders' first rides, road tests, and video reviews of the motorcycles. 2025 Aprilia RSV4. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 is updated for 2025 with changes focused on its aerodynamics, including the addition of 2 stacked wing surfaces placed under the headlight. New side panels are integrated with the redesigned tailsection, which includes a lighter rear light cluster. The front brakes have also been upgraded with Brembo's new Hypure calipers, and the triple clamp is now made with lighter aluminum. The bike's 1099cc V4 engine now meets Euro 5+ regulations, and the previous 48mm throttle bodies are replaced with 52mm units. It has a new exhaust system, and the catalytic converter has been repositioned. The bike also gets a new predictive electronic control management system, a new 5-inch TFT display, and new backlit handlebar controls. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 will come in Poison Yellow or Stingray Blue. Pricing has not yet been announced. $2025 Aprilia 660 rupees. The 2025 Aprilia 660 rupees midweight sport bike is updated with new winglets, more power from the parallel twin engine, and new standard electronic features. It is powered by a 659cc parallel twin which now produces a claimed 105 horsepower up from 100 horsepower and is Euro 5+ compliant. The previous 48mm throttle bodies have been replaced with larger 52mm ones. New winglets now include a large wing positioned across the front end under the headlights, and 2 smaller winglets on either side. The bike gets new backlit handlebar controls, and a larger TFT display, as well as a new launch control feature. The 2025 Aprilia 660 rupees will be available in Venom Yellow or Blue Martin. Pricing has not yet been announced. 2025 Aprilia Touareg Rally. The 2025 Aprilia Touareg Rally offers a more feature-rich and off-road capable setup compared to the standard version. It is a production version of the bike Cerruti rode to win the Italian Motoroli Championship in both 2023 and 2024, as well as the Africa Eco Race in 2024. It's powered by the 659cc parallel twin adapted from the 660 rupees and Tuono 660 models. In the Touareg, the engine produces a claimed 80 horsepower at 9,250 revolutions per minute and 51 6-pound-feet of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute. Its frame is made of steel tubing, and fully adjustable suspension is made by Kayaba. It features linear rate springs rather than progressive ones, and it has specific engine mapping and a dedicated SC Project exhaust system. Also included are spoke ergo wheels, a high front fender, a thicker aluminum skid plate, sturdy handguards, and a new chain guide. The seat is 0.8 inch taller than the standard Touareg, and the handlebar is taller with a redesigned shape. The 2025 Aprilia Touareg Rally will be available in a rally race replica color scheme with gold anodized forks, rims, and handlebar. $2025 Aprilia Tuono 457. The 2025 Aprilia Tuono 457 is built on the same platform as the Aprilia 457 Rupees sport bike, but features naked bike styling and ergonomics. It's powered by a liquid-cooled 457cc parallel twin that produces a claimed 47.6 horsepower at 9,400 revolutions per minute and 32 1-pound-foot of torque at 6,700 revolutions per minute. Unique to the class, it features an aluminum frame that uses the engine as a stressed member. The 41mm fork and rear shock are adjustable for preload, and brakes are provided by Brembo. The Tuono 457's throttle-by-wire system enables 3 ride modes in all riding modes. ABS is active on both wheels, and it can be disengaged at the rear when the bike is stationary. A 5-inch TFT color display comes as standard, and handlebar controls are backlit. The 2025 Aprilia Tuono 457 will be available in Piranha Red, with classic Aprilia Red and Black, or Puma Gray with gray and white colors. The 2025 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory. Aprilia drops the standard Tuono 660 from its lineup to shift focus to the more fully equipped 2025 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory, which is upgraded with more horsepower, new suspension, and new electronics. Horsepower is bumped up from 100 horsepower to 105 horsepower from the 659cc parallel twin, and throttle bodies are larger at 52 mm compared to the previous 48 mm units. The bike's weight remains unchanged at 399 pounds. Replacing the previous Kayaba suspension are fully adjustable Öhlins components, including the 43 mm Nix fork and STX 46 shock. Also new for 2025 is the addition of launch control to the already extensive electronics package. The TFT display is larger at 5 inches and new electric commands are added to the backlit handlebar switches.